Hello my friends, welcome to my channel Crochet Best. Today I will show you very beautiful bedsheet designs. This bedsheet is made a crochet work. Crochet work is so beautiful work. You know this work you made easily at home. These bedsheets you can watch my videos and catch the designs and color schemes. I give you many ideas in my videos. I hope you like this video and enjoy this video. This bed sheets is so colorful and some bed sheets are very decent and unique design scheme. This bed sheets it's very beautiful. Many people is know a crochet work you can make easily these bed sheets and Croatian business woman and man see my videos and catch the color scheme and designs and grow your business. I hope all the friends like my videos. Please give me the comments in comment box. Your comment is very important for me. Your comment is so beautiful. I read your comments and I like your comments. Beautiful. This bedsheet it's decor your bedroom and beautiful look. This is so beautiful bed sheets. You can use a special occasion. Friends, give me the comments in comment box. What do you see in my channel? I try my best to make good videos for you. So friends, if you like my video, please like and subscribe and share my videos with your friends, relative, and subscribe my channel. Your support is so important for me. Your comments is so beautiful. Bye friends, take care.